Hello guys, welcome in this new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix cannot retrieve tweets at this time. Please try again later on Twitter. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, click here and click on app and notifications. After this, click on CR93 apps and scroll down and find Twitter. So click on Twitter and after this click on force stop, OK, and click on storage and cache, and after this click on clear cache and go back and click on permissions and click all on allows. So first one, camera is allow, second one, contact allow, file and media allow, location allow, and microphone allow, and after this phone is also allow. So after doing this setting, go back and open your Play Store and search here Twitter. So search here and make sure that your Twitter app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it. And after this, go back and open your settings again and click on internet and network and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So if not connected, then go back and click on SIM card and mobile network and on your mobile data. So after doing this, go back and still in settings, scroll down and click on system and click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and after this click on reset settings. So after doing these settings, your Twitter will be fine. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.